Welcome back to Shemss. Today's topic is concrete flatwork. So our footings have cured, and as they cure, we like to spray them with water to prevent it from drying too fast. Also, before the flatwork begins, we backfill and compact around the footings. Some areas are backfilled manually with a shovel, and others with a skid steer machine. So what is flatwork? In our case, it's the flat concrete slab in the garage. But concrete flatwork also applies to any flat concrete surface like sidewalks, patios, and driveways.
So we have still in the garage, we need to add gravel, approximately 4 yards. It's coming right now.
We filled the garage with 3/4 crushed gravel and compacted. The minimum requirements for gravel would be 4 inches and another 4 inches of slab. And then a steel wire mesh is added for reinforcement, and then we start pouring. So when it comes to flat work or pouring concrete of any kind, there's no room for standing around. You really need to hustle and have a good workflow with your team.